The digital COD controller DUC2-COD, developed and produced by DUC2-COD, can be matched with the digital COD sensor model COD351. COD351 is a separate sensor, which can be connected to M16 type connector cable. Place the controller with the screen facing up. Unscrew the screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Install the waterproof gland head that comes with the controller. Unscrew the screw cap of the gland. Carefully insert the power cord into the cable gland on one side. Pass the cable of the sensor through the cable gland on the other side. Retighten the gland nut. The power cable has two ends. Connect the end of the wire marked L to the live wire terminal. Connect the end of the wire marked N to the neutral wire terminal. The sensors are connected to one end of the controller. Generally there are 4 wire ends. According to the V positive, V negative, AS, BS marked on the wire label, connected to the corresponding terminal hole of the controller. After the wiring is completed, close the front cover and tighten the screws on the 4 corners. Turn on the power switch. At this time, the measurement interface does not display the value. Long press the menu button to enter the main menu. Select first, sensor set. Click to confirm. Select first, sensor communication set. Click to confirm. Select second, automatic scan. Click enter to start scanning, and it will show success. If the display fails, you can check whether the wiring is connected to the wrong terminal or disconnected. Return to the main measurement interface, and it can be used normally at this time.